Hello. Last night the Chinese PLA fired in-air shots at the LAC and they are blaming Indian Army of crossing the LAC and firing the warning shots. Now the million-dollar question arises that why China and the PLA are behaving in this frustrated manner. There is no singular answer to that, but there are definitely multiple answers. First of all, the Chinese and PLA, they thought that once China starts showing aggression, Indian army will be on its knees. But that didn't happen. India showed counter aggression, and today we are controlling the strategic heights in that particular geographical area. And now China wants, the PLA wants to restore the status quo, which is not possible. We are not going to leave our strategic position because first of all, we are in our territory. We have not crossed the LAC. Secondly, we have seen the Chinese aggression. So Indian army must be there on the strategic locations. Number two, they want to provoke the Indian army so that they can paint a picture in the international community that they are very pious people and it is Indian army who has crossed the LAC and now the Indian army is firing shots in air, but international community is also knowing what are the games of China, so they are not having great time even in the international arena. Then there are internal issues within the Chinese Communist Party, within China. So they want to diversify their issues. They want to divert the attention of the people on other issues away from the domestic front, away from the Chinese Communist Party. Even Xi Jinping's authority is being challenged within the party. There are many times news coming regarding the same. Even there in Inner Mongolia, Mongol people are agitating against the Chinese policies. So they are surrounded with their own problems, domestic problems, so they want to divert attention. And one big jolt they got yesterday, which is definitely paining, that India tested its capacity for hypersonic vehicle, which can be used even in hypersonic missiles, hypersonic jets, and as well as for our space programs. And I remember in their last National Day parade, China was showcasing the world. They were showcasing the world that it has got hypersonic power, hypersonic technology. But to their misfortune, now even India is in that elite club of 4 countries now, other than United States, Russia and China. Now we are also in that, the member of that club, which is having the countries which are having the hypersonic technology. So that is also a pain for China. So all these things combined, they are behind the frustrations shown by China and the People's Liberation Army. Thank you.